Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to insert a slicer into an existing table in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here, and we have a table here. Got it. So this is a table, so we'll insert a slicer into the table and we'll see how it works. So to say about the slicer option, it is not available anywhere on this ribbon or in the menu system. You have to place your cursor somewhere inside the table to get that option. So when you place your cursor inside the table, somewhere over here, you will get this contextual toolbar called as design, and you have to click on it and you will see the different customizing options related to table. So you'll see that option over here, insert slicer. So click on it. So you'll see a dialog box like this. Here the 5 options are same as that of the headers here. The 5 headers here are the options here. So you can select any number of options from here. I'll select team and I'll click on OK. So you'll see this kind of a box here where you can see the teams available. Maybe you can change the column numbers to 3 so that you can see all the teams. Got it? So now we can click on one of these teams. So I'll click on Arsenal. So as soon as you click Arsenal, you will see only the Arsenal team data. Got it? So in the same way, you can select some other team here. Maybe I'll go with Chelsea. So you'll see only Chelsea. Got it? And if you want to remove the filter means, you can click on this clear filter option. So click on it. So it comes back to normal. In the same way, if you want to select multiple options from here means, so I click on Arsenal here. Now turn this option on by clicking on it once using the left mouse button. Now click on one more team, maybe Leicester. So you see both team data here. Got it? So not only two, you can select any number of, and to remove that, you can click on the clear filter. Got it? And to delete the box, you can select the box and click delete from the keyboard. Got it? So you can apply the same thing to the column row. So place the cursor somewhere inside the table, come to design and come to insert slicer, click on roll, click on OK. So I'll select defender. I want to see only the defenders. So can you see? Now you can see only defenders in the table. So clear the filter, select the box and click delete from the keyboard. Got it. So this is how you use the insert slicer option. It's very useful when you want to filter the data as I showed you. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.